Hey, I'm Max with West Carolina, and due to the recent COVID-19 outbreak, well, we're going to try something a little different. We want to do self-installs for some of our customers to keep everybody, in an effort to keep everybody safe. So what that is going to entail is our installers are going to pass these just kits of everything through a window or another easy access. And everything is going to be already hooked up. You see this, your fiber will already be plugged in. And so some of the contents of your box will be a power strip, 812 ONT, and it's already got the fiber and the power plugged in there. And we'll have our Gigaspire for your wireless. And if you notice, it's not plugged into power quite yet. And the last thing in your box will be your SSID and password. So the first order of business, what we're going to do is get this power strip, plug it in, and right now the only thing that's plugged in is this 812 ONT. So we'll plug it in, and once that's plugged in, it'll take about 5 or 10 minutes for everything to come back up. But you'll have a power, broadband, and service light. All those lights will be solid green. And once that gets solid green, we'll be able to hook up your Gigaspire for your wireless. So we're going to wait about 5 or 10 minutes, and we'll be right back with you, and we'll show you how to get that up. So it's been 10 minutes, and so now our 812 has come all the way up, and you can tell by our solid green power, broadband, and service lights. So all that's already hooked up. So now our next step is to get this Gigaspire, our wireless router, ready to go. So we get our power cord, plug it in, and these lights will start to flash blue. And you'll also notice this will already be hooked up for you, but you'll see the power cord is plugged into power, and your Ethernet cord is plugged into WAN. And this will take 5 to 10 minutes, but once it's done, this blue light here will be solid, and you can go on your device and see your SSID and password. All you have to do is sign into that, and you're good to go.